Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how I have designed this 3D text effect in Illustrator. First of all, select your lovable font and edit as you like. I'm using Bison Bold for now. Then go to Menu Bar and select Object and find Expand and hit OK. So the typeface will be turned into the editable vector shape. To work smoothly, I'm ungrouping them. Drag and select the target portion and press Ctrl G to group them. After being done, select the target shapes and eyedropper tool to use color. In order to save my time, I created the color palettes earlier. Select the shape tool and try to draw accordingly and send it behind the text. Later, make sure it's perfect by pressing Ctrl Y from the keyboard. And do the same thing for the rest of the text. Be patient to be accurate. Well, it's the turning point. Select the text groups holding Shift and press Ctrl 2 to lock them. Later, you can unlock them pressing Ctrl Alt 2. Now, select the pen tool and find the Add Anchor Point tool to add some anchor points on the intersection of vector text and the shape behind so that it can be edited later. Yes, you are right, we are about to finish. Select the Direct Selection tool to control those anchor points as you like, using mouse or the arrow keys. See the screen to get an idea of doing it. Anyway, must bear in mind to hold Shift when you select multiple points. Eventually, let's fix the gap in between to get the best look. That's it, we are done. Isn't that easy? Hope you find this tutorial useful. Let me know your valuable compliment in the comment box below. And stay connected to this channel to design your dream today. Thanks very much for being here. Bye for now.